Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing the ways to go live on Instagram. So to go live on Instagram, first thing first, update your application and log in into your Instagram account. After you're logged into your account, tap the profile icon from the bottom right hand side corner. Here next to your profile, you'll be able to see plus icon, tap the button. As soon as you do that, you'll be able to see multiple options, and as you can see underneath, you have the live feature. Go ahead and tap the live button. Now in order to go live, first of all you'll need to go ahead and tap the title button in order to give a title. So just type in the title why you're actually going live and click on add title. Once you're done, you can just go ahead and tap the icon which is located right over here. So if you want to go public, then select the public button, but if you don't want anybody to be notified, you only want yourself to be notified, then select the particular one and click the set audience button. Once you've done that, you can also schedule the time if you want to do it. So you can just go ahead and add the video title and you can start the timing as well. And once you've done that, you tap the live button located right at the bottom, or the white icon located right at the bottom. As soon as you do that, your live will soon start. And if you're unable to see the live feature on your Instagram account, as in my case, you can see if I tap the plus icon, here's the live button. But if you're not able to see the particular feature, then first of all try updating your application, and after updating your application, if you're able to see the button, then probably it might be the reason that your app was outdated. But after updating as well, if you're unable to see, then you'll need to switch your account to professional. So tap the try bar icon, go to settings and privacy. While you're on this page, scroll down right to the bottom and go to account types and tools. While you're on this page, you need to go ahead and tap on switch to professional account, tap on it, and you need to go ahead and tap the continue button. And after you have switched your account to professional, and it might be able to fix your issue. So that's how you can go live on Instagram. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.